Okay, boys and girls, this is February 22nd. Oh, it's 21st. In our house, we're going to go and look at the blizzard outside. So we'll go through the front door. Here's our front porch. Looks like some people are outside. And here we go. Blizzard. The winds are going about 40 miles an hour. Looks like some tree damage. Laura is not home, and I'm really hoping she's doing okay. Some more of the blizzard. I couldn't get out the back door. It was snowed up to my waist, and I had to shovel the dang thing out. Now I gotta go get the driveway done so Nora can pull the car into the garage. This is just from this morning. I blew this stuff all off this morning.